Hello, I am Michael from ZY Caraok EV Charger Factory. Today, I will introduce to you the heaviest EV charging station of ZY Caraok FC. FC is the most classic and popular high-power floor-mounted EV charging station. Its appearance design is derived from the unique design concept of top Italian designers and has a strong recognition. Power from 60 kW to 240 kW, it can be said that FC is the king of ultra-high power EV charger. It supports CCS1, CCS2, ChAdeMo, GBT. The standard configuration is double guns, but customers can choose triple guns according to the actual needs of the project, such as CCS1 plus CCS2 plus GBT. FC has 4 charging methods. The first is plug and charge, the second is password charging, the third is card charging, and the fourth is OCPP charging. ZY Caraok, New Energy EV Charging. Pioneer, leading the new technology trend in EV charging industry, your satisfaction is always our greatest pursuit.